Monday.
Yeah, the Marriott shit, that was fucked up. Like, dude, I'm very broke. I haven't rent to pay in 5 days. We barely got in the city trying to make money. $106 fucking I have left. I have a rent due in 5 fucking days. We are broke, so we have to start making money right now.
Whoa, not we.
Oh, okay, I'm broke.
I'm breaking. You're
Okay,
broken.
I'm broken. I'm broke as fuck. We can't check in. We can't check in the Airbnb until 3 o'clock.
So we can't clear any storage at the back of the trunk.
We can't have no trunk space.
But we
Hey!
make...
No! Don't fucking show them yet. Let me finish my talking. So, we need to start working right away and, you know, do whatever it takes, right? We have a trunk full of our stuff. We have, ooh, that was a Tinder message. We have a back seat full of stuff. We got DeAndre almost out of the fucking windshield. He's got no leg room.
Whatsoever.
But you know what? Our birds are nice and comfy back there. They got pillows. They've got blankets. Make sure our birds are comfortable because those are our money makers, guys. You know.
What's up? This crazy bastard just woke me up.
This is nice.
And I guess we're trying to charge scooters now.
It's gonna work.
Yo, so how does this work?
Alright, so you go to the app and you scan the barcode and it releases the bird and they chirp. And you take a picture. You can stay in the picture, I guess.
Gang shit! Am I famous?
Not yet. You will be.
Oh, all of my fans believed in that.
Sorry. I'm fucking tired.
Alright, guys. This is
Oh, look at that green light.
our last tank of gas. This is illegal!
No, the light was green. This is 100% legal.
Whatever. So yeah, this is our last tank of gas. If this doesn't work, we'll be out of gas, stuck, out of money, stuck in a rut.
You just fucking yell hi ho.
Heil Hitler!
No, stupid! Don't be stupid! Jeez.
Hey man.
Not the place.
Hey, there's never a place to yell Heil Hitler! What do you mean not the place?
Not the place.
Bro, I'm gonna do me, dog. I'm gonna do me.
Seriously, dude, that's probably just happened right now.
Yeah.
Secret Service came up, looked at us.
He does this every second of every day, guys. Yep. I'm waiting in the car for this mother. No rush, bro. No rush. No rush. Whatsoever, bro.
No!
Put the rifle to
No!
Talking on it. His body to a carcass.
We gotta stop his ass. We gotta stop his ass.
Just like
No fucking way.
Someone throw it in the trash can. You want some of me? Let's total up after this. That was 4 we found that people were hiding all around Washington, D.C. People out here like to hide this stuff, you know? Alright, so we got 2 for 17, 1 for 15, 1 for 14. What was that?
$63.
You got it. You're the man. You're good. You're amazing. Thank you for your math. Your calculator, man.
$63. Dude, that is a whole tank of gas, bro. And look how much gas we still have.
What kind of fucking tank of gas are you using?
I mean, that's tanks of gas. And bro, we barely even nudged the full.
I kind of drove around last night too, so.
Yeah, dude, what happened last night? You took like forever. No, but I'm getting wet. Wait, does this door open? Nope, you need a key. Wait, oh no, it's is it motion censored or?
I have a trash can. Shit. Well, shit. Oh, I found it. No, the other guy found it. The other guy found it behind the trash can. Let's see if this guy finds it. Well, this is actually from Tennessee. You gotta send my family some postcards, tell them I'm doing well. We're doing well. We're doing big things out here looking for birds.
I thought you were sending those to the girl.
Nah. I decided, you know what? Why focus on a girl? I can focus on my family that I love, that cares about me. There's 4 billion girls in this world, man. I ain't putting my mind on one.
This man did the research.
This one's to my grandma and my sister. And I love you. I'll see you in December. Oh, shit. Like, this isn't a fucking joke anymore, dude. Like, fucking turn the fucking camera off, dude. Like, I'm serious. I'm dead ass fucking serious. Like, dude, I'm dead ass serious. Like, yeah, we were having fun. We came through mistakes. We fucking fucked up in other cities. Like, now, like, dude, I'm very broke. Like, I have rent to pay in 5 days. I got $100 in my bank account. We barely got in this city trying to make money. Guess what? Our bank account's going fucking down and down and down. Every fucking risk we take. I need you to try, like, help me out as much as you can. Trust me about it, dude. I'm serious. Like I said, man, you don't have rent to pay. I do. I've got to get this shit done. So I need you to fucking, like, dude, you're gonna fucking be with me. Like, we already fucking talked about it. We already fucking talked about it, dude. That thing's not fucking still on, is it? I have a month left. 30 fucking days. $106 fucking I have left. I have rent due in 5 fucking days.
Damn.
I have rent due in 5 fucking days, dude. So we gotta fucking take your screws back. We got like 4. It's like fucking 50, 60 bucks right there, dude. We all fucking got this shit over. Let's go. Come on, help me out.
Right, it's only like 10:40 right now. It made it seem like it was like AM or something.
You do realize that we have to be up 4 o'clock in the morning to drop off these scooters, right? By the time we're done with your BS that you want to do, it'll probably be like 11:30, 12, and they're gonna go home.
Hey, come on, bro, it's not BS. Like, this is like out of complete respect, bro. Like, this is my dream type shit. Like, bro, I want to take the world by the ball. I want to fucking own the world when I'm 30, dog.
So then at 4 a.m. you want to own the world when you're 30? Get the fuck up when I do. You want to own the world? I'm gonna fucking own the world. Because you know what? I'm the fucking one waking up at 4 a.m. You want to learn how to fucking own the world? You'll see. I'll wake your ass up tomorrow at 4 a.m. So take all your time, man. Take all your time. You're the one that sleeps all day, right? So come on, every time. If I'm up, you're gonna be up. You'll be asleep in the passenger chair. Wake up, DeAndre. Come on, man. Come on, man. You're missing the shit. You're missing it. We're getting good footage, man. I'm cutting people off. I'm dancing. I'm fucking people off and shit. Come on, man. DC people don't like this shit. You gotta learn to not like me. You gotta learn to not like me.
Bro, we learned that the first day.
Yeah, well, guess what? You're not gonna like me a lot more. Cause now we're across the country and you're stuck with me. So unless you fucking buy a plane ticket back to California, better get your ass in fucking gear, boy. Let's go. You better fucking get thousands of followers for this shit, cause I'm really fucking cold right now. Hundreds of thousands.
How did you fucking feel when you lost your job for no reason, bro? You were the best one there, dog. You were the best one there. You trained harder than anyone else, dude. That's a fucking huge rat. That can't be a rat, bro. That's
a possum.
That's
That doesn't be a possum.
Yeah, that's no way that's a rat. Let's go check it out.
Fucking shit. Now dinner. There, we lost dinner, damn it. Like, I'm serious about to go buy some fucking water bottles tomorrow and just go fucking on the street and sell them.
Do you think that would work?
Yeah, it's gonna fucking work.
Then why hadn't we done it yet?
Fucking broke, and we've been fucking around too much.
Is it okay if I pet him? Uh-oh. Hey, little guy. It's a cool dog. I guess that's it.
So this is my biggest fear of this fucking trip.
What?
Oh, you us getting all this fucking footage, and you fucking taking it and fucking leaving.
Me taking the footage and leaving you.
Fucking leaving. That's the biggest fucking fear of this. See, I've already been fucking scarred once by some.
If we lose it all. If we lose it all.
Well, at least we're cute. You get a second opportunity. I have my goal where I want to train to be an Olympian athlete and build my business. Like, you get to do this again. I don't. So, man, work with me. This is it. Once we accomplish this goal, I told you I'm gonna take a month off, enjoy myself, and once January hits, like, just fucking train. I was supposed to go that way. Achieving the goal, finishing the goal, because it's easy to quit. It's just fucking easy. It's easy to just fucking turn around. Like, this is the hard shit. This is the hard shit. No one wants to fucking do this shit. Everyone's fucking back in California. Everyone's in their fucking homes, watching us on fucking Instagram. They don't know the fucking truth. Like, we're struggling. Like, we are fucking doing the real shit while everyone's at home fucking enjoying their fucking lives. But you know what I learned, man?
Fuck it!
No. We do today what others won't, so we can do tomorrow what others can't.
Yeah, that's the whole purpose on the trip. We're facing all these shadows and blades and burdens so that tomorrow
Cops threatening to shoot us.
homeless men running into our car, stealing our belongings. Hoes finessing us, taking our bills to buy drinks when they really weren't gonna put up pussy in the first place.
You know what? I don't like you for that. All right?
I didn't say it was you, dude. That could have just been me on camera. Exposed.
That's motherfucking not even the neighborhood.